Om Shri Sai Ram. In the last session, we have solved 2 and 3 mark questions, and in this session, we are going to solve 4 and 5 mark questions. To solve problems on heights and distances, so we should know how to write the diagram according to the problem what they have given, and moreover we should know the trigonometric values and some trigonometric ratios and some concepts of right angle triangles. So, with this we can solve any problem on heights and distances. So, yesterday I have written the trigonometric table theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, 0 degree, theta in degrees, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So, what is sin 0? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, what is this? 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0, and tan 0 is 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and infinity, which is not defined, and trigonometric ratios are OAO by HHA. This is a shortcut we have discussed in the last session. So, let us get into the problem. The problem is a kite is flying at a height of h, is tied to a thread which is 50 meter long, assuming that there is no kink in the thread and it makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground, and we have to find the angle, height of the kite. See, there is no kink means there is no curves in the thread and all, which is straight. So, that is what they have given. So, according to that problem, we have to write the diagram. See, here I have taken AB as height of the kite, and AC is the length of the thread, and the angle of elevation with the ground is 30 degree, and this is my figure according to the problem they have given. So, here AB is height of the kite, that is h, and AC is 50 meter, that is length of the thread of the kite, and from this I have to find the height of the kite which is flying in the air. So, we have to find h. For that I am going to see here opposite side which is h, that is what we need to find, and on the hypotenuse side which is 50 meter length of the thread, and this adjacent is not required, and as if you define tan, we should require adjacent. If we define cos, we should also require what is adjacent to get the value of this h, and you look, if you define the sin theta, it will be opposite and hypotenuse. We have opposite as well as hypotenuse, and we do not want to consider the adjacent side. So, better you define angle for sin. So, I can define from the triangle ABC, I can define sin 30 degree is equal to, what is sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? H by what is hypotenuse side? That is 50 meters. So now I want value for sine 30 degree. When theta is 30, so sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to h by 50, and I want h here. So you do cross multiplication, 50 by 2 is equal to h. Therefore, 2 ones are 2, 25s are 50. So what is the height of the kite is 25 meters. Therefore, the height of the kite is 25 meters. See, without actually measuring it, we obtained the what? The height of the kite by using an angle of elevation. This is what the answer of the question. Next. The problem here, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the base of the building is 60 degree, and the angle of elevation of a tower from the top of the building is 45 degree, and they have given the height of the building as 20 meters. With this data, we have to find the height of the tower. See, according to the problem, we can write the diagram as look at here, AD is a tower. AD is the tower, and what is the height, which is h, I called it. And then here the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the base of the building is 60 degree, and from the top of the building with the tower is 45 degree, and they have given the height of the tower as 20 meter, and I have taken the breadth of the building as x, I do not know the what is that, and this length AB I have taken as y, then obviously h will be y plus 20, and this is, look at this, this is a building which is in rectangular shape. So BC is equal to DE, BC is equal to DE, and BD is equal to CE. So now let us define angle for the triangle ADE. So from the triangle ADE, what is tan 60 degree? What is tan is, see, look at this, this is opposite side is h and the adjacent side is x. Then what is tan 60 degree? Which is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by x. Now, what is h from here? H is nothing but root 3 into x. Similarly, I will define angle 45 degree for the triangle from the triangle ABC. I can define tan 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? Opposite side I call it as y, which is AB, and what is adjacent, which is BC. What is BC? Which is equal to DE. What is DE here? X. And what is tan 45 degree? 1. So, y by x. So, this implies x is equal to y. I can call it as equation 2. So, now here look at equation 1. We have h, that is what we need to find, and we have x. See, and that can be written as h is equal to, from the diagram I can write what is h? H is nothing but what? X plus y. From the figure I can say. See, h is equal to x plus y, fine, which is not x plus y, y plus 20, sorry, y plus 20, okay, fine. So, from equation 2, what is y? Y is nothing but x. plus 20. From equation 1 I can write from 1 I can write what is x? I can write x as h by root 3. Understand? See, x is nothing but h by root 3. Now you substitute here. So, h is equal to what is that? H by root 3 plus 20. Now, you just simplify this. What is that? H minus h by root 3 is equal to 20. And what is this? H times 1 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 20. Now, you take LCM and do it. Simplification. Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 is equal to 20. So, what is this? So, h into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 20 times root 3, and you take this to other side, which is 20 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. Or else you can do one thing, you just multiply and divide the conjugate of this one, which is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So, what is this? H is equal to 20. You multiply this, root 3 into root 3 is 3, and root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1. Therefore, what is h? And this becomes 2. So, 20 by 2 is 10 into 3 plus root 3 meters. This is what the height of the tower AD. Next, let us move on to the next problem. The problem is from a point of line joining the feet of the two poles of equal heights. Here the two poles are equal height. The angle of elevation of the tops of the poles observed to be 30 and 60 degree for the two poles, and the distance between two opposite poles. Okay, the poles are in opposite. So, the distance between those two poles they have given as a, and here we have to find, one is the height of the poles and other one is the position of the point of elevation. Okay, that means the point of the observer we have to find here. So, according to the problem here the diagram is this. See, AB is a pole and ED is also pole, but they are of equal height, they are opposite to each other, and for this pole AB, the angle of elevation is observed to be 30 degree and another one which is 60 degree, and C is the point of what we can say the point of elevation. Okay. That is what we need to find. What is the distance between B and C, which is x? That is what we have to find, x, as well as we have to find the height of the poles, which is h. That is what the question is about. So, now I have AB and ED are two poles of equal height. Okay. So, next is now let us define, and x is, already told you, x is the point of elevation, and now I am going to define the angle for the triangle ABC. So, what is a tan 30 degree for that is tan 30 degree is what is tan? Opposite by adjacent, that is h by, here adjacent is x. What is tan 30 degree? Which is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x, or what is this? H is equal to what? X by root 3, I will call it as 1. Similarly, define angle tan 60 degree for the triangle ECD. What is tan 60 degree? The angle of elevation is 60 degree, which is equal to, see, ED is equal to AB, then what is the length of ED will be h, that is opposite side. So, h by adjacent is a minus x. Okay, what is tan 60 degree? Root 3 is equal to h divided by a minus x. So, what is h from here? Is h is, I can take cross multiplication, a minus x into root 3, this is 2. From 1 and 2 LHS are equal, so that we can equate the RHS. So, x by root 3 is equal to a minus x into root 3. You do cross multiplication and simplify. So, x is equal to a minus x, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, what is this? So, x is equal to 3a minus 3x. So, you send 3 minus 3x to LHS. So, it will be 4x is equal to 3a, and what is x? X will be equal to what? 3a divided by 4. I will come to this later. So, now I wanted to find the value of, the value of h, that is height of the pole from 1 I can call it as 3 better. So, from 1 we have h is equal to x by what? Root 3. Okay. So, we already found out what is x. X is 3a divided by 4 into root 3. See, what is h actually? H is nothing but the height of the poles. So, two poles are equal height. Therefore, we got the answer for the first sub question, which is the height of the poles is 3a divided by 4 root 3 meters, and second question is the point of elevation is C. What is that? C is the distance between B and C is x, then the point C is nothing but x. So, what is that? We already obtained, that is x is equal to 3a divided by 4 meters. So, hence we got the height of the poles as well as the point of elevation of the poles. Next problem. The problem is we have to show that the height of the tower is root AB, and the problem is the angle of elevation of the tower from the 2 points at the distance A and B. So, the angle of elevations are A and B here. See, this is one point from the put of that, and this is another point of angle of elevation. They have given 60 and 30 degree, and see here I have taken AC is B because B is greater. than A. So, BC is A. So, from this I can find what is H is we have to show is root AB, that is what we have to show from this. So, here I have I am going to consider DC as height of the tower and from the triangle DCB I can define tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? H by A. So, what is tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to H by A. So, from this what is root 3? I want that. What is root 3 is, do cross multiplication. 1 is equal to H into root 3 by A, and what is this? A by H is equal to root 3, I call it as 1. Similarly, you define tan 60 degree for the triangle DCA. What is tan 60 degree for the triangle DCA is opposite by adjacent. AC is B. So, now what is tan 60 degree? Root 3 is equal to H by B. You can observe from 1 I can write root 3 as A by H, and this is equal to H by B. Do cross multiplication. AB is equal to H square, or H is equal to plus or minus root AB. Since here we are getting two values for the height, plus and minus, do not consider minus because height cannot be negative. So, what is the height of the tower is? The height of the tower is H is equal to root AB. This is what we need to show in the problem. Next problem. See, here the problem is a flag stands upon the top of the building. See the distance is they have given as 20 meters, and the angle of elevation of top of the flagstaff and buildings are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. We have to find the height of the flagstaff. That is the problem. See here, BC is the height of the building and AB is the height of the flagstaff. This is what we have to find now. So, for this I will assume that AB is a flagstaff and BC is a building. So, now let us define angle for the triangle ACD. What is ACD? ACD, right angle triangle ACD is tan 60 degree is equal to what is opposite side, that is AC divided by what is adjacent side, that is 20. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AC by 20, or AC is equal to 20 into root 3, cross multiplication. So, similarly you define angle for the triangle BCD. What is BCD? What is tan 30 degree? 30 degree is equal to, that is BC divided by CD. What is CD? That is 20, opposite by adjacent. So, what is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3 is BC by 20. So, now what is BC? BC is 20 times root 3. Now, I will take this as 1 and I will take this as 2. So, from 1 AC is 20 times root 3. Okay. I do not want AC, I want to find the length of the, the height of the flagstaff AB. So, this AC can be written as AB plus BC equal to 20 root 3. Okay. So, now what is this? We want AB. What is BC? This is BC is nothing but what? 20 by root 3. Okay. So, now what is BC? That is 20 by root 3. Do cross multiplication. So, that is that, which is equal to 20 root 3. Now, you take this to other side, AB will becomes 20 root 3 minus 20 by root 3. So, now what is this? AB is equal to 20, you can take common, and you will have root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So, simplify this. 20 root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 by root 3. So, what is this? 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into 20 is 40 by root 3 meters. This is what the length of AB. AB is nothing but what? The Flagstaff. So, hence we obtain the answer of the question. The problem here, the airplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters, passes vertically above the plane. At instant when the angles of elevation from the same point is observed to be 60 and 45 degree respectively, we have to find the distance between these two. So, here I will take A and B as two planes. A and B are aeroplanes, and H is a distance between them. Okay. So, now let us define tan 60 degree from the triangle ACD. So, what is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is what? That is opposite side, that is AC divided by CD. What is AC? AC is 2000 meters divided by CD. What is tan 60 degree? Root 3 is equal to 2000 divided by CD. And what is CD? So, CD is 2000 divided by root 3, call it as 1. And similarly, from the triangle BCD, I can define tan 45 degree as opposite side is what? This is BC and this is H, and the total distance the height is 2000 meters. So, this length obviously 2000 minus H divided by CD. What is tan 45 degree is 1, that is 2000 minus H divided by CD. This implies CD is equal to 2000 minus H, I can call it as 2. Now, from 1 and 2 I can equate from 1 and 2, what is that? 2000 divided by root 3 is equal to 2000 minus H. So, now what is this? So, you can take H this side and you send this other side, that is 2000 minus 2000 divided by root 3. So, this H is equal to 2000 into 1 minus 1 by root 3. So, H is equal to what? 2000, you take LCM and simplify, that is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Either you can stop at this stage, or you can multiply and divide the conjugate of this and you can simplify, or you can stop at this stage. Therefore, the distance between the planes is 2000 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 meters. This is a distance between the two planes which is flying vertically. So, this are 4 and 5 mark questions. We will do some more problems in the next session. Till then, Sairam.